have seen that she have taken up this issue where she have sit alone also in the main secret gate. So since I'm not so much acquainted with all these things, what we have seen only in the newspaper, her demand, and I don't know also what destination she's holding for the laborers, whether she's the president of the laborers or this, that, I'm not aware. But like I have said earlier, I will call the officer and I will see that if it is genuine that we have to give or disburse this money to all the genuine laborers as enshrined in the rules, so each one of them will be getting at par, justice will be done, and direct whatever money that they are supposed to get, it will go direct to their account.